to add and subtract multiple cells in Excel. Hi everyone, it's Sophie here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Click where you want your answer, then simply write is equals to. After that, type in the numbers you want to add and subtract. Suppose 1 is in C, so C2 plus C3. And if you want to add minus, you can simply add minus as well. Then add number. As you can see, I'm adding C5. After you're done, simply click on enter. After clicking on enter, you'll find your password, which is your answer. And that's how to add and subtract multiple cells in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. About question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.